Now you will speak about the affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative sentences, present indefinite tense. Let's get start.
He beats him. He does not beat him. Does he beat him? Does he not beat him? He bears his anger.
Yes.
He bears his anger. He does not bear his anger. Does he bear his anger? Does he not bear his anger? He become a doctor. He becomes a doctor. Does he? He does not become a doctor. Does he become a doctor? Does he not become a doctor? He becomes an engineer. He does not become a doctor. Engineer. He does not become a.
Does he?
Does he become a doctor? Does he not become a doctor? Does he? He cricket becomes now.
He play.
He play cricket becomes now.
Please. He does not play cricket.
He does not play cricket now. Does he play cricket now? Does he not play cricket now? He goes to market. Does he?
He does not.
He does not go to market. Does he go to market? Does he not go to market? He buys a car. Does he? He buys a car. He
does not buy.
Buy a car. Does he buy a car? Does he not buy a car? He chooses the subject. He does not choose the subject. Does he choose the subject? Does he not choose the subject? He comes to school daily. He does not come to school daily. Does he come to school daily? Does he not come to school daily? He
Right.
He writes.
He writes.
He writes
a letter. He does not
write a letter. Does he write a letter? Does he not write
read.
A letter? He reads a book. He does not read a book. Does he read a book? Does he not read a book? He brings a cat. He does not bring a cat. Does he bring a cat? Does he not bring a cat?
Feed.
He feeds.
He feeds. He feeds
a dog. He does not feed a dog.
Does he?
Does he feel a dog? Does he not feel a dog?
Feel.
He feels very good. He does not feel a very good. Does he feel a very good? Does he not feel a very good? He fights with me.
Fights.
He fights with me. He does not fight with me. Does he fight with me? Does he fight? Does he not fight with me?
Chooses.
He chooses a subject. He does not choose a subject. Does he choose a subject? Does he not choose a subject? He drives a car. He drives a car. He does not drive a car. Does he drive a car? Does he not drive a car? He drinks water. He does not drink water. Does he drink water? Does he not drink water? He draws a picture. He does not draw a picture. Does he draw a picture? Does he not draw a picture? He
Climb.
He climbs
mountain.
A mountain. He does not climb a mountain. Does he
climb a mountain?
Does he not climb a mountain?
He ride bicycle.
He rides bicycle.
He does not
buy a cycle. Does he buy a cycle? Does he not buy a cycle?
Right.
He brings a cat. Does he not?
Brings.
He brings a cat. Does he not bring a cat? Does he bring a cat? Does he not bring a cat?
He runs daily.
He runs daily. He does not run daily. Does he run daily? Does he not run daily?
Walks.
He walks.
For morning walk.
He falls for me.
For morning walk.
He falls.
Walks.
He falls for
morning walk.
Morning walk.
He does not.
He does not fall.
Walk. Morning walk.
Morning walk. He does not.
Does he?
Does he
walk for morning walk?
For morning walk. Does he not for morning walk?
Yes.
He cuts vegetable. He does not cut vegetable. He does not cut vegetable. Does he cut vegetable? He fight with me. Does he fight with
Fights.
me? Does he fight with me? Does he not fight with me?
He tears the page.
He tears the page. He does not tear page. Does he tear page? Does he not tear page? He eats food. He does not eat food. Does he eat food? Does he not eat food? He brings a he build apartment. He does not build apartment. Does he build apartment? Does he not build apartment? He
bends.
He binds his hair. He does not bind his hair. Does he bind his hair? Does he not bind his hair?
Bends.
He bends his neck. Does he not bend his neck? Does he bind his neck? Does he not bind his neck? Does he bites apple? He does not bite apple. Does he bite apple? Does not bite apple. He burns garbage. Does he not burn
garbage?
Does he burn garbage? Does he not burn garbage? He the Sarajay in the The does not.
The sun does not.
The sun does not rise in the east. Does the sun rise in the east? Does
The sun not
not
rise.
rising in the east? The cracker burst in the Diwali.
The crackers does not
The cracker does not
burst in the Diwali.
burst in the Diwali.
The crackers.
Cracker burst in the Diwali. The cracker burst in the Diwali. Thank you.
5 minutes 34 seconds you have completed 80 sentences.